how are you doing? Welcome to Tobago.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Harvest in my blood, harvest in my DNA, and I will never stop.
I'm still trying to understand how others do this every month in different villages.
Every week to be exact, eh?
Every week.
Almost every Sunday.
Almost every week.
Oh my.
Habitats keep the loving. When you come to Habitats, say Harry or John. You bounce each other. Hug. This is my first experience, and you know what? It's really nice because I'm used to being scared when I go to people's houses. I don't know anyone, and I walk in here and I feel like I'm in a family.
How much individuals that pass through here for the entire day? Like
50,
about 250
300,
people, 300 people.
Yeah.
Harvest is a must. These be different from everybody else. It's a love.
I find the love that Tobagoan have is different from Trinidad.
What you were saying, Uncle?
I was just saying that when Trinidadians come to Tobago and we carry them out in the harvest, here with the taxi, I have to pay for that?
If you have to pay, they don't believe it. They don't believe it. They don't.
My partner down the road is my friend, so I have credit. So if they drink me out, I'm going to have credit.
So if you're back going that bus, you go down the road and load up again. Have you?
I'm from Britain, even though I live in Spain, and I'm here I'm the guest of the tourist board.
The biggest harvest in this hall, just like always.
I didn't expecting this crowd of people. From this 12 o'clock, this place is in a mess.
The best part of harvest is just seeing people enjoy themselves.
See the question, how will you do this? You feed all these people? I said, not me, God.
I'm from Trinidad and we not accustomed to this scenario. No, but it's a really nice thing, a really nice loving thing, and I need to find out a little more about this harvest, I'll be honest, because it's a really nice experience to be out here and everybody just together as one, and it's just a unity.
Today's Sunday, and I know you would normally have a 3-day weekend from the Friday.
Today, tomorrow, we're going down. We're going down till we lie down.
Right? And tomorrow Monday, cup over. What are you doing for the cup over?
But we're cooking again and people come out and have fun.
Father been doing this 40 years plus. We're going to keep it for the next 40 years. The simplest individual to the highest ranking. Well, you know they say only bushmeat supposed to done by month 10.
Say have a month.
Yeah, Alexander talking that, isn't it? They ain't eat a bushmeat from Roslyn Green, you ain't eat bushmeat here.
Yeah, I mean, Tobago, continue enjoying the island. It's nice to have you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, man, thanks.
I say I'm doing it until I die. And then my son will carry it on, my daughter will carry it on, you know, it's a generation thing where they keep going. Right, because this is our culture.
Harvest is a must.
Harvest is a must.
Yeah, I want to keep mentioning that. You know, let me keep the tradition. Don't let us lose the tradition.
Like my boy Dollar in this now. Few little questions, my brother. I mean, how much years now you doing this harvesting?
Boy, I doing harvest since I was born. My grandfather bring me up in this, and it's a way to just give back now. So you just keep harvesting, cook food, you just lime, enjoy yourself. You know, he was a farmer and he used to real farm, and it was a way where they used to give back to the people. So harvesting my blood, harvesting my DNA, and I will never stop.
What would you say you enjoy the most, or the best part of the whole harvest festivities for you?
Boy, the best part of harvest is just seeing people enjoy themselves, seeing people having fun, talking, people from all over. Like we have people from Trinidad, I have a foreign brethren that come and let me clean meat, clean meat.
And usually for this magnitude of harvest that I see you keep here today, like what the preparation for this does be?
Boy, well, usually when I keep in harvest, I just start from harvest done. So from harvest done, I started by drinks, I started pour away.
For the following year?
For the following year, because harvest is state now. So you had to really put it together to have a nice, clean harvest. You know, you had to put it together. From harvest done, so harvest come again, we prepare it.
In order to get the kind of quality harvest that I'm seeing here today.
Yeah, to get the quality harvest, to make sure you have everything.
And I mean, if you don't feel to answer, you don't want to ask. I just feel like asking though. If you, I mean, based on everything that I'm seeing here today, if you had to put dollar value to this, how much you feel you spend for that, for all of this? Well, again, as I tell you, if you don't feel comfortable showing it out there, you don't want to, but I just feel like asking.
Well, roughly after tally up, if I tally up everything, it'll be about $25,000.
About $25,000. And you don't feel no how spending that kind of funds?
Nah. than to see people happy and see people, enjoy themselves. If you look around, all my brethren, everybody here, people I don't know, just having people happy, it was worth it, boy.
It's all worth it in the end.
Yeah.
I see the amount of shaving pans that you all are laid out on the table out there. I wonder what your menu look like, boy? What you had to eat?
Boy, well, this year we had there chicken, pork, fish, crab. Boy, I feel that must be money could eat it. Where you walk is where you get.
Full works.
Full works.
And what that is being served with?
Boy, bust up shot, provision, all different type of provision, dumpling. I think we have cassava dumpling, plain dumpling, but just dumpling. Anything we could put in the flour to make dumpling, we put it in there.
And in terms of the cooking and what's a bit, I know some people that have a team with them or
Now when I'm a team, I have an old man brethren who come in from old man brethren. Looking by the bar, pick him up by the body.
so that is one of,
Bongo, my partner there.
so that one of your chef there.
That the number one.
So basically that the main chef.
That the head chef.
That the head chef.
That the head chef.
And in terms of from start to finish, on average, like how much individuals that pass through here for the entire day? Like how much?
Boy, well, average, boy, I could say about 250.
About 250
300,
people, 300 people.
Yeah, and we are doing to everybody by cases we don't buy.
Well, I realize that. I realize you have a fully stocked bar. I'm wondering if people could really drink out the amount of stuff that all they have. I don't feel it possible.
Let them come and try.
It ever had a time that people actually bust the bar? Because on every occasion that I come here for harvest, I realize that it's real people and it's like all a catering for each individual by 10.
My partner down the road is my friend, so I have credit. So if they drink me out, I'm going to credit.
So if your bar going at bus, you go down the road and load up again. Have you ever had reason to go and load up or never before?
2 years.
2 years you had to
Men running, and they're running.
go down by the bar, load up and come back.
Come again.
To make sure that nobody can come by you and bust your
Everybody
bar.
have to come and live happy, Jeff. Right? It's nobody money. Let me tell you, it's nobody money, it's about the love.
It's about the love.
And I'm saying that about the love giving back to people. And let me tell you something, feed people, treat people nice, and they never go a day without nothing on the table or nothing in the mouth.
It's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
And you would do this again and again and again and
I say I'm doing it until I die. And then my son will carry it on, my daughter will carry it on, it's a generation thing where they keep going. Right? Because this is our culture.
this is our culture.
Hey, and then, oh God, R.I.P. to my friend Keon Manning. That was my sous chef. That was my bartender. R.I.P. to my friend Keon Manning. Everybody know Raga, aka. Right? I want to really touch him up. Wherever you is, G, we having a harvest today.
Love in the house. Blessing. Well, folks, we out here, with that partaking in the whole vibe, the whole energy. And again, as my boy now say, harvest is love, and it's about partaking and celebrating in the love and having fun amongst each other, Harvest God, we outside. Boom.
I'm boiling.
Ata? Ata! From there, I decided to pass and check my manager because she had told me she might cook some food, but she was too minded about it because she had to go to work the afternoon. But while I was there, I looked over by her neighbor and see they had a really nice setting. So I say I definitely gonna go over and take part in it.
Success don't come overnight. Don't make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, we not do it for the love.
folks, so we're here with David. David, how are you doing? Welcome to Tobago.
Thank you
First
very
and
much.
foremost.
Thank you very much.
What's your first harvest experience was like being here today?
This is my first experience, and you know what? It's really nice because I'm used to being scared when I go to people's houses. I don't know anyone, and I walk in here and I feel like I'm in a family. You know, people are smiling at me, giving me food and drink. You know, it's fantastic. So I've had a really nice time, and I'm not finished yet, by the way.
If I were to ask you, what do you enjoy the most about being in Tobago? What would you say?
I'm gonna be boring, but I actually enjoy the nature.
You enjoy the nature.
I enjoy the scenery. I enjoy the tranquility. You know, I come here and everyone's really nice. Everyone's friendly. You know?
That's our culture. That's our culture.
You know, because I go to London and I'm scared. You know what I mean?
No need to be scared in Tobago. I mean, Tobago is love, love is Tobago. So that's the warm welcome you get literally anywhere you go in Tobago. Other than this harvest experience today, what else have you done since you're on the island?
Well, I've been here for a special reason because I'm all about birds and wildlife, and I'm actually interested in Tobago's nature. And I'm from Britain, even though I live in Spain. And I'm here I'm the guest of the tourist board, and I'm actually going to be writing articles about the birds and wildlife here, as well as the people I've met, you know, that are involved in conservation. Because the important thing I think is that you guys in Tobago, you need to look after your environment, man. The environment here is beautiful. The animals and the plants you have here are incredible. You need to protect them, because if you protect them, you're protecting yourself.
And what have you tried to eat since you're here so far? Other than in the harvest?
All sorts of things. I mean, I can't even start. I mean, I've been trying everything, you know, so yeah. I mean, I'm West Indian descent, so a lot of the food I know already. But of course, I've been, you know, I don't come from Tobago. I live in England, so I've become very anglicised. I now live in Spain, so I'm eating pasta and paella. So, you know, it's very different. But yeah, it's good. It's good stuff.
And what I would say though, if you haven't tried the crab and dumpling as yet,
No.
you definitely need to try it.
I will.
Nice to meet you. I mean, continue enjoying. I mean, Tobago is love. Continue enjoying the island. It's nice to have you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, man. Thanks for having me. Folks, so I'm in harvest. God, we out here. We in the harvest.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest. Thank you so much. And we outside. We in the harvest. You know, we just interacting with the folks, interacting with somebody get some abroad from England. Harvest. God, we outside. Folk, we on location here by Village by Vice Bar, and we here with the man himself, Mr. Shorty. Blessings, no brother.
Nice meeting you again, man.
Well, oh boy, you know, it's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure. I mean, I had no wonder, the amount of people are seen here. You keep the biggest harvest in this hall, just like always.
I didn't expecting this crowd of people from. But since 12 o'clock, this place is in a mess. You know, like Mason Hall, first harvest after the lockdown, people came out, but I believe much people didn't do it. Right, so you end up all jamming up, man.
Well, I know even before the lockdown and all, normally you just keep one of the biggest harvests in Mason Hall.
Correct.
And I had to ask the question, why have you doing this consistently over the years like this, in this magnitude?
This is a give back. I love doing this, and this is why, you know, maintain it, doing this.
And what would you say is the best aspect about the whole harvest festivities for you?
Boy, the enjoyment, you know, just to see the people come at my home, I feel proud of that. Meeting all kind of people. People from UK was here today, you know.
Experiencing the first harvest?
First harvest in
Yes,
Tobago.
yes,
It
yes.
was amazing, and they asked me the question, how do you do this? You feed all these people? I said, not me, God.
Yes.
God.
I mean,
give you strength.
Tobago really is indeed a loving place, eh?
Yes.
And unless you know about it, you won't understand it.
Tobago had the love.
Tobago.
And we'll continue. And we have to make it continue. We can't break this. This is something, you know, we grew up with the parents and see they're doing, so we have to keep continuing this. Right? So I'm telling the people of Tobago, we continue this. Have it, just keep the loving. So when you come to have it, say, Harry or John, and you bounce each other, hug, feed people, give them a drink.
I agree with you. Before you go though, I mean, if you don't feel like answering, you don't have to answer. But one question I'm wondering, if you had to put a dollar value to the amount that this magnitude of harvest would have cost you,
$25,000.
$25,000.
$25,000.
And
25,000 and it could be more. It could be more.
And you feel, and to you, it's totally worth it.
It's worth it because the people need, you have to do this for the people. It's not for me, you know, it's the people. The love of the people. People who support me through the year.
Yeah, my dear, if you don't mind I'm asking, it was like experiencing a Tobago harvest for the first time today.
Well, honestly, it was something new because I'm from Trinidad and we not accustomed to this scenario where they visit people's houses and get a little food and drinks. It was to me it was a kind of nice loving thing. I mean, you're seeing people come together and no kind of quarrel, no kind of confusion, no bacchanal, no where come in a place for to talk to you. It was just kind of love and real niceness. And I'm still trying to understand how others do this every month in different villages.
Every week to be exact, eh?
Every week.
Almost every Sunday.
Almost every week.
Oh my. And they're here 13 months now.
And your first one? Now, almost every week.
Okay. No, but it's a really nice thing, it's a really nice loving thing, and I need to find out a little more about this harvest, I'll be honest, because it's a really nice experience to be out here and everybody there together as one, and there's a unity. You ain't seen no quarreling, you ain't seen no fight, you ain't seen no kind of malice, no kind of nothing.
What is the best part of your experience today?
Just seeing how everybody coming together. It's a nice love and unity, and just seeing everybody coming together, they're playing a nice little music, it's a nice vibes, it's just really relaxing and nice to me. Love about people. Because I can understand people that's come by somebody's house and be honest and eat because Trinidad and they don't really do them thing. But I find the love that Tobago have is different from Trinidad.
What you were saying, Uncle?
I was just saying that when Trinidadians come to Tobago and we carry them out in the harvest, here they'll ask you, I have to pay for that?
If you have to pay, they don't believe it. They don't believe it. They don't believe it. You know, and you eat as much as you want, drink as much as you want. And it's all good.
All good. You understand?
Yeah, man. But thanks to turn, you know, people turn out. But we're now moving to the after enjoyment tonight.
And today's Sunday. And I know you would normally have a 3-day weekend from the Friday.
Today, tomorrow, we're going down. We're going down till we lie down.
Right down till you lie down.
Right down.
And tomorrow, Monday, cup over. What are you doing for the cup over?
But we're cooking again and, you know, people come out and have fun.
I come here after work tomorrow.
I hear you.
I come up here tomorrow.
Well, I mean, thanks for your time again. I know you have lots of people in there waiting for you again, so it's all good, right? Yeah, man, loving you out here with Timon, my virgin. Thanks again for the hospitality. Harvest got them out, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I mean, how the harvest proceedings went this afternoon?
I mean, it wasn't what we normally have on Harvest Sunday. Normally there's be mad traffic, you know, chock-a-block traffic, people going and coming. But the little folks that did came about, you know, we appreciate them. This is a way of my family giving back to my island, giving thanks. You know, we are a business family. We appreciate the support that we get, and these are a form of giving back. My father been doing this 40 years plus. I give him all forward and respect. I'm going to keep it for the next 40 years. This is a way of the Grace family giving back, yeah?
What would you say that gives you that drive, that have you consistently keeping this harvest every year?
Sometimes it's from the simplest individual to the highest ranking. You know, everybody pass by, everybody have a drink, everybody have a eat. You know, we talk, we conversate, we do business transactions. You know, all type of stuff happens in the harvest. So again, the harvest is a big thing. I would like it to you know, keep, you know, advancing in Tobago and going to the next level, you know. Harvest is a must. These we different from everybody else. It's a love.
Harvest is a must.
Yeah, it's a must.
What would you say is the most exciting part, or what part of the harvest exactly you look forward to the most?
Boy, every bit of it, yes. From the preparing, from the you know, the group of cooks and you know, everybody, the person who helped clean the yard, to the chef, to even that point in time when everybody come and, you know, you're distributing, you know, foods, drinks, and the appreciation of the individual. It all means a lot. Again, it's a way of giving back. I want to keep repeating that. It's giving back.
A Thanksgiving.
It's a Thanksgiving. Yes, that's right. It's all throughout. It is electrifying.
I noticed you have plenty different meals serving there today. You just give the audience an idea of what the menu was like today.
Well, you know they say all the bushmeat supposed to done by month end.
So you have a month.
Yeah, Alexander talking that, isn't it? So yeah, so it's all the green ones and the hanging ones and the fish, the swimming around ones, and you know, the chicken, the birds of the air, you know, everything there for, you know, a taste. My mom, big up Rosalind Gray, best chef, #1 chef. If you ain't eat a bushmeat from Rosalind Gray, you ain't eat bushmeat yet.
You ain't eat bushmeat yet?
No. Well prepared.
So she had one of them sweeter than them?
One of them blessed hands in Tobago, boy. I even saying sweet, blessed hands. Whatever she touches, just amazing. Yeah, so rockfish, the iguanas, the shells, and you know, it was here by Mr. Gray. Respect.
And she was the main chef that cooked everything, or you had other support?
Of course, you'll have a support system, you can have a team with her, but yes, she was the main one, the taster, the adder, or the subtracker, or however you want to call it. She was the main individual. Give her thanks, yeah?
But overall, generally, it was a fantastic day today.
Definitely. Again, you know, the fact that you can give back, you know, to my island and my neighbors and my friends, and you know, sometimes strangers and all, people that I never even met. You know, again, this little event does create so much interaction and transaction that you'll be surprised. Harvest is a must.
Harvest is a must.
Yeah, I want to keep mentioning that. You know, let me keep the tradition. Don't let us lose the tradition, my fellow harvest friends. Let me keep the tradition running. Next harvest, I gonna be around.
Well, next harvest, you would be around or would not be around?
I would be around, definitely.
And you intend to keep on the tradition until how long again?
Boy, 40 plus.
Thanks again, my brother.
Respect, yeah?
Blessings, right?
Nice having you here.
Always a pleasure coming here,
Yes,
my brother.
man, I agree.
Blessings, man.
Respect.
Success don't come overnight. No matter no substance over hype.